So this is kind of a center part of town right here in F. Pinedo Street here in Tarlac City, Philippines. And I'll give you an idea what it looks like. So let's check it out. We're gonna take a little bit of a walk up the street. And this is actually the Tarlac City downtown public market, but we're not gonna go in there just yet. We'll take a walk down. You can see the amount of tricycles there are around here. It's unbelievable. Morning, good morning, sir. Take a walk this way. And this is F. Pinedo Street. No, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you. It is Lansoni. What is this called?
Bangkok.
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 This
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Very good. Very good. How much per kilo on Lansoni? 250. Okay. So we're looking at $2.50 a kilo for the Lansoni, which is a very good fruit. In Thailand, it is called longkong. Very busy on a Saturday. What we're going to do is kind of take a little bit of a side street down here toward the, this actually goes toward the Palenque. And they got a lot of vendors here. This is another side street off Pinedo Street. So this is kind of my, so go up here and check this Palenque out, and here in Tarlac City. See over here, over down this way. That's the inside of another Palenque here in Tarlac City, and we'll go check it out, and I'll see if we can actually find a banana Q vendor. Those are really good. So another small tour.
O kuya, 50. Ano may ganda? Kaya ko na kami makapisalit ko kayong generap. Gatang niya naman yung express.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, Dave.
Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Walang ganyan sa Amerika.
We'll make our way up this way. You really got to watch it out in these traffic. These streets are really tight along with all the tricycles. So check this out right up here.
Vlogger?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is called the tricycle taxiway. Another side street. We can do our little walk here, doing a tour here in Tarlac City, walking tour, kind of give you a feel of the city. And that's what you really have to do, is actually get out on the ground and walk around and see what's going on and kind of really get up and close to the locals. And that's what I really love to do. See this right here? This is major traffic here in Tarlac City. These are jeepneys. Buses, trikes. Got a little bit of just about everything. You know, so if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. And thank you very much for following me along on my little walking tour of Tarlac City. Getting really down into the crowd of people, and head down this way. Our way back to Anti-Piracy Street. Let's see, we got going on over here. Continuing my little city tour here in Tarlac City, Philippines. Check it out. You can see how vibrant this town really is. You can really see how vibrant this place is. I mean, it's really, really lots of people, lots going on. Make our way back up here to the Palenque. So if you like this type of content, you know, please consider subscribing. Travel to a lot of places, and right now I'm having an exciting adventure here in Tarlac City, Philippines. Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine.
See down here. And continue my walking tour here of Tarlac City. So here in Tarlac City with Kuya Bert, and it's really fun to be here. And we're actually right here at the Tarlac City downtown public market, and we're going to go inside there and take a look. So this is just another side street we have taken, just actually walking everywhere, just checking out the scenery here, which is really cool today. So this is the end of this video right here of my walking tour of Tarlac City, Philippines. You know, if you like this content, please consider subscribing. I travel to a lot of places and I see a lot of things. And today was really cool because it's actually boots on the ground, getting a lay of the actual city, walking around to many different areas. A lot of fun with my friend Kuya Bert. And now this is the lasting shot of scenes of the Philippines. Really cool.